convey this message to the CM, to the Education Minister of Goa, to postpone the SSC exams. पहिली म्हणजे हांव उलोवचो ना. He's a brother of a student who is answering examination, 10th standard student. Let him. He needs to tell the ground reality. What is the pressure that her sister is facing, and afterwards I will talk.
ओके, सो पयलीं म्हणजे हांव सांगता की आयज जो हो डिसिजन आसा ऑफ टेकींग एग्जाम्स, ओके, आमी एग्जाम घेवपाच्या अगेन्स्ट नाव कॅन्सल कर म्हणून आमकां जस्ट स्टेप पोस्टपोन केल्ली. फर्स्ट कारण म्हणजे कितें की आयज आमी पळयता, ओके, आमकां खबर आसा की केसीस आसा आयज कावंट पळयता 31 पावल्ली आसा एट दीस मोमेंट, ओके. आनी म्हाजी भयण 10th स्टँडर्डान आसा, ओके, शी इज गोईंग टू आन्सर SSC. आमकां खबर आसा की तेंचे कडेन प्रेशर कसो बिल्ड जाता, कित्याक लागून स्टडीजांक लागून न्ही, पण एक भंय आसा तांकां की आतां जर फाल्यां एग्जाम दिली आनी जर खंयच्यानूय एक वायरस स्प्रेड जावंक शकता. आमकां खबर आसा की व्हडल्या व्हडल्या कंट्रीजांक तो स्प्रेड कसो जाला. एन्ड म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता की हो अप्रोप्रिएट टायम असो एक न्ही की आन्सर करपाक, कित्याक ते मेंटली नॉट प्रिपेर्ड. एक स्टडी वायज तेंचें एक प्रिपरेशन जाल्लेलें आसा, बऱ्या भशेन करतात ती, पण कितें आसा की मेंटली तांकां एक तो ऑलवेज एक स्मॉल भंय उरता की फाल्यां जर आमी आन्सर करपाक गेली, ओके, कितके सेफ्टी मेजर आसा तरी जर स्प्रेड जालो जाल्यार आपल्या जिवाक धोको आसा, ओके. सो प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा की आमी हो कॅन्सल कर म्हणिना जो मेरेन हो कावंट आसा, केसीसांचो कावंट आसा तो कमी येयलो. आमी अशें म्हणूं शकता जेन्ना आमी म्हणटले की गोवा इज प्रॉपरली अ सेफ प्लेस अगेन, तसो पयलीं कितें तो नासलो, तशें जर जालें देन लेट अस कंडक्ट द एग्जाम्स दॅट टायम.
That why at such a point the CM is not cancelling the examination. States like Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab have cancelled the exam. Chhattisgarh has even promoted the students. From class 1 to 12, the students are promoted. Goa is a very small state having only few number of students comparatively. We are not saying promote the students, we are saying cancel the examination. And at this point where the CM is not ready to cancel the examination, this looks very fishy. This looks like there is some scam that is going to happen. Because this is a very serious point right now where I think they should really consider this, because like last time we said, this is going to be more of a community spread once they decide. When the central government has issued that there won't be any schools and colleges running, why does our Goa CM want to still conduct examination?
पहिली जेन्ना केसीस 3 आशिल्ले तेन्ना the CM came out with a statement that he is postponing the exams, like Simran said. This looks really very fishy, because right now this is the biggest mistake that the CM is taking. And if there is examination, there is a wild possibility, there is a very strong possibility that community spread can take place only because of examinations. And we are time and again we are demanding that examination should not take place. We are pleading from the student community, from the parents, from everyone, from the entire Goa, we are pleading. If you see the entire social media, it is filled with requests that please do not have examination. So from the community, I am pleading to the CM, to whoever, you are a doctor, please try to understand. Please try to understand that this is not the time that we need to have exam. Today, time and again the cases are increasing. When we get up in the morning, पहिले 5-6 cases वाटता. So this means that there is a spread, and we never know there is a community spread. So Goa is not a green zone. Right now it is not a green zone according to us, and the CM has to take a decision.